the black vultures send me a prayer and I'll spread my wings in the sky. Let's go and wave like you see me now. Hold on, we're flying high. Let's go and wave like you see me now. Hey, tell me a story. You've been hiding yourself again. Turn your shame to glory and shake off the ball and chain. Call me insane, call me a fool. You're in the...
So the new owner, Joe, showed up for the buggy. We're gonna get it on his trailer and we're gonna take it over and get all the parts out everybody bought. So thanks, Joe, for bringing his roll back, because this will make this way easier. All right, hold it there for 1 minute. Getting close. The motor's all stripped, interior's all stripped. We have to pull the axles, the motor. I'm pulling a couple of things I'm keeping. There's a pile over here. This is all the stuff that goes with the motor. This is for the transmission. So it's getting there. Destroying Joe's new shop. It's fine. But, yep, pulling her apart. Motor's coming out.
Didn't even move. Not much. This bar jumped down a little, but that's just... That's what I mean. Am I gonna hit them?
End of an era. So that's the end of the buggy. Everything is gone. You're going to want to stick around and subscribe to find out what's coming up next. We went out with Buggy Johnny and Chris at Fro to do a little rec wheel and end of the season. Hope you enjoy. So rear your way. Yep, drive forward. Keep on driving. Front downhill, yep, work it. Work the front. All right, back up. Yep, front all the way downhill. Yep, drive forward. There you go. Rear uphill, yep. You're good. Just go slow. Go slow, you're good. You're good. Just go slow. Steer downhill in the front. Yep. Drive. Straighten the rear a little bit. straighten the rear. Yep, drive. You're good. Cut the front passenger and back up. Passenger in the front. And back up. Yep, keep going. Downhill in the front. Downhill and drive. Rear uphill. Yep. Yep, straighten the rear a little bit. Yep, right there. No.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how well we were sticking.
Yeah, with it being this cold, I haven't been out here when it's this cold yet. And the traction is still good. So this is called shot blast because it's all shot blast rock. You're good. Drive that son bitch.
Went your way?
No, you're good. You should straighten the rear, but
Straighten your rear up.
front downhill. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the trail. Make sure you subscribe because you're not going to want to miss what's coming up next.